If you are a student in Nigeria and you are looking for a legit way for you to start making money online, then this video is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 6 ways that you can make money online as a student in Nigeria in this 2025. Now, maybe you have been thinking of ways to make money to earn extra income, and you don't know what to do, you don't know what step to take, or you want to start something that you don't need to invest in too much in case you don't have the capital to start, then these steps or these ideas I'm going to share with you are going to be helpful to you. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Awajima Isioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online, and I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So even if you are not a student and you still want to earn extra income on the internet and you don't have much capital, you can still watch this video to the end. And also, I would like to say that before I get into the video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. You don't want to miss whenever I share important information. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Now, before we get in, there's one thing I would like to say. Make sure to watch this video to the end. It's not very long. Make sure to watch it to the end, because my number 4 and my number 5 and my number 6 are very, very important. You will love it. So stick around to the end of this video. Let's get in and let me show you 6 ways you can make money online as a student. Now, my number 1 on the list is something you might have heard about: freelancing. Okay, freelancing is just you doing some jobs with your skills that will get you paid. Okay, maybe you know how to write, or you know how to do simple things like graphic design, video editing with your smartphone, programming, or web design. You can go to platforms like Fiverr, you can go to platforms like Upwork. There are even Nigerian platforms that offers freelancing jobs. All right, or you could talk to somebody and become a graphic designer for them, or help them do their printing, or help them do their simple stuffs. Okay, simple editing. A lot of vendors are online looking for someone to edit their videos, or even edit their Facebook page, or help them to be creating content online. You can connect with people, connect with clients online, and do jobs for them and earn money for yourself. All right, that is number 1. You can make money from freelancing. Actually, this freelancing I'm talking about, this is what I did to actually make my first $100 online. All right, I used this freelancing to make my first $100 online, and actually that was my first money online back in 2020. Yeah, 2020 or 2021. Yeah. Okay, so this is something that can work for you. If you want to learn how to do freelancing properly, there are jobs, massive jobs. Millions of people out there are making this money through freelancing. If you want to learn more about freelancing, I will drop a link in the description. Check that link. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is another easy way for you to gain access into the internet and make money for yourself. How does affiliate marketing works? It's very simple. You earn commissions by promoting other people's products. For instance, let's say you don't have a product yourself. You can go online. There are platforms. All right, you can go online to platforms like Partner, platform like StakeOut or SELAR, to register on the platform, sign up on the platform, and start promoting people's products. It's as simple as that. This is another way that I make money online, even though I'm not a student right now, but this is a way you can also make money online. Take a look at the screenshot that you see on your screen. Can you see this screenshot now? This is one of the money I made from doing affiliate marketing, from promoting people's products, and I did not leave my house. I did not have to struggle to deliver to anybody. Are you getting it now? Everything has been handled by the creator. All you need to do is just find ways to promote the product to people who need it, and once they buy it, once you make a sale, you receive a certain commission. Most times the commissions are like 50%. All right, so imagine that you are selling a product of 50,000 automatically if you make a sale, you have 25,000 to your pocket. All right, this is a very smooth, sweet business you can do even if you don't have capital. All right, but if you want to learn how this works, I will drop a link in the description for serious persons who want to start affiliate marketing. Also, if you want me to coach you, teach you how I do it, you can also drop a comment for me in the comment section. All right, let's go to the third one. The third one is YouTube content creation. All right, YouTube content creation. This is another way you can get in and make money for yourself as a student, especially now in this 2025 when faceless video content is trending. You can pick a niche, you can create engaging videos and earn from revenue, sponsorship, and even affiliate marketing. I'm still doing this also. Even if you don't have expensive equipment, you can just start with your smartphone, especially now that we have AI faceless videos trending. You can do this and make money for yourself. All right, that is my number 3. Number 4 is drop shipping. Now, before we talk about drop shipping, in case you are interested in learning how to start a YouTube channel that will make you money, comment below. All right, or go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there for you. Okay, that link will take you to where you're going to learn more about how to start a faceless YouTube channel that can make you money. Now, the essence of this is in case you don't have much capital to start, that's why you are starting a faceless channel. All right, this is something you can do that can help you make money for yourself. If you look at the screenshot on your screen, that is a screenshot of money that was made from faceless channels. You too can do this. All right, that is my number 3. Number 4 is drop shipping and e-commerce. You can start an online store without even holding inventories, and you can sell trending products, tech products, and use suppliers to handle shipping directly to customers, meaning that you don't have to touch the product yourself. All you need to do is to set up systems that will help you to deliver the product to those who are purchasing. Are you seeing this now? You can make money from this. All right, now this is my number 5. Number 5 is for you to run TikTok ads for business owners. You can be running TikTok ads for people and be making money from them. All right, many businesses want to reach customers through TikTok, but they don't know how to do that. If you learn how to do TikTok advertising, you can charge business owners to run ads for them and help them make sales. All right, this is something that you can do very, very easy. All right, in less than 3 days or 7 days, you can learn how to run TikTok ads and make money for yourself. If you want to learn how to do this, go to the comment section and drop TikTok. All right, and I'll send you a link to where you can learn how to run TikTok ads for business owners. That is my number 5. Number 6, which is our last one, is paid online surveys. You can get paid for answering questions on survey sites like Tuluna, Swagbox, Timebox, and all of these allow you to earn in your spare time by just answering questions. You can get paid in dollars to do this job. All right, very, very easy. There is no investment involved to start. Okay, if you want to learn more about all of these things I've said to you, go to the link in the description. I'll drop links to further information on how you can learn how to make money with all of these that I've mentioned. Now, these are the practical tips that will help you to start making money online as a student in Nigeria in 2025. If you want to learn more about how I do this, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, just drop a comment for me. Go to the link in the description, check for links that I've dropped there, and make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.